Nowhere else but here. I am Jamaica, a true ambassador, always repping on my best behavior. Can tell by my walk, the way I talk, Caribbean flavor. I need no reminder that I'm a proud islander. Tone of my twang, tell I was made in Kingston. The unmistakable rumbling accent, you know I'm a godsend. Jamaica, Jamaica, it's so good not to say it twice. White rum, red stripe, mutton down with rice, pepper pot, stew peas, party nice. Whether yard or broad, me chat me patois, reminding people I am Jamaica. Nowhere else but here. Cool breeze, sunshine, cold beer, manish water, rundown, fresh air, hardwood bread, back juice, bull and pear, dasheen, breadfruit, dumpling with oxtail. Let me remind you, nowhere else but here. Soursop, June plum, yellow yam. Boy, me I tell her, Jamaicans can yam. Nowhere else but here. We bled, blood, sweat, and tears. This is the land we love. It's a blessing from above. The sweet Jamaican words, the good old proverbs. Who can't hear must feel. I miss the days of drinking tea made from orange peel. If you can't catch Quaco, you catch him short. If you don't look where you go, you must buck up. I am Jamaica, God's my way maker. He's my all, my being, my caretaker. Out of many, we are one, born and bred, true Jamaican. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, it hurts, Philadelphia. Reggae music, white sand beach, down river. Trade me sunshine, for the freezer. Thought on the other side, the grass was greener. I am Jamaica, and Jamaica is where I'm at. 2.5 million standing tall on the world map. The eternal Father guides our land, divided we fall, united we stand. Nowhere else but here. The little we have, the little we share. Nowhere no better than yard, not no nice like my granny blue jars. This is the land of my birth. Tireless hours together we vert. I am Jamaica. I'll never forsake this country, made from wood and water. Nowhere else but here. It's in my DNA. It's in my vein.